Welcome back to Organic Living and Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some delicious homemade kombucha. Homemade kombucha tastes so much better than store-bought. I have been making homemade kombucha for 25 plus years. Kombucha is loaded with healthy bacteria and probiotics for your digestive system and for your gut. I would strongly encourage everyone to drink kombucha on a regular basis, especially homemade kombucha. Your scoby plant can be purchased from Amazon, and I will leave a link below the description. Please note, everybody makes their kombucha differently, and there's many different ways, but this is one of many ways how you can make your homemade kombucha. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be using black tea, fresh sliced apricots, and some sugar. I'm going to place about 3 liters of water and have it boil. Once my water is boiling, I'll drop 2 tea bags of black English tea or just black tea. You can also use black loose tea. I would highly discourage using any form of flavored tea. I'm going to use 1 cup of organic sugar for 3 liters of tea. I'll give it a nice mix. Make sure all the sugar is dissolved in the tea. I'm going to cover my tea and let it sit till it reaches room temperature. Now my tea is ready. I'll go ahead and remove the covering from my scoby, and I'll drain my previously made kombucha into a clean jar. I want to strain it to make sure I have nothing falling into it that I don't want. To make my kombucha more flavorful, I'll add some fresh apricots for taste. My kombucha is going to have a lot of bubbles because it's very active. It has a lot of probiotics and it's very healthy for my gut, so I would highly encourage everyone to make it. Now your kombucha is ready to be placed in the fridge. Go ahead and use a saran wrap and cover your kombucha and place it in the fridge, and you can drink it in the next couple days or a week. My scoby is ready for fresh tea. I will place it on a plate. My scoby looks nice and healthy. This is the back end of my scoby. Under the sink, I will wash it with warm running water. I will wash both front and the back and remove any excessive hairs that are coming on off the sides of the scoby. I will also thoroughly wash my jar with running water from my sink. I want my scoby and my jar to be very clean before I put my tea. Now my tea is ready. It's nice and cool. I will remove the tea bags, pour the tea into my clean jar. I will place my scoby back into the jar, and it's going to start the fermentation process. You're going to let your kombucha sit on the counter for 5 to 7 days before you start drinking it. The longer you let it sit on the counter, the stronger it's going to get. Cover your kombucha. I'm using a nut milk bag, but you're welcome to use cheesecloth. Your kombucha is going to taste delicious, nothing like store-bought. Also, you're welcome to add fresh berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or fresh fruit. Here I'm using apricots. Peaches are also great. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please leave a comment in the description box how you make your kombucha. Also, if you have questions, please let me know. I will leave a detailed description below the video on how to make kombucha. Again, Scoby can be purchased on Amazon, and I will put a link below the description how you can get hold of one. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I hope to see you next time. God bless.